Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the OPPO K13x. Alright, so let's begin. I just downloaded the WhatsApp to show you the whole process, but before we begin, let's open up the settings on our device. Now let's scroll down and under the Google settings, let's make sure that we are logged into the proper Google account. It is really important. You need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. It is really important. Otherwise, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your backup. So simply make sure it's downloaded. Now, let's open up the WhatsApp, just like that. Now click on Agree and Continue. Now we need to type our phone number. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here, just like me. So now first type your phone number, then click on Next. Now we need to verify our phone number in one of the ways. We can use the SMS code, we can select the missed call, so everything is up to you. I just need to verify. So now I should get the 6-digit code, so I'll see you once I receive that code. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, just like me, you should have something like that. Restore your chats. And now we have a possibility to, restore our backup. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made. Below we can also see its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same backup, it's the same Google account on which I am logged in the settings of my device. So everything is fine and it's the same. Alright, also remember that if you don't restore your backup right now, there's a chance that you won't be able to do it later, so you should do it right now. Simply click on Restore button. Now we need to wait a few seconds until everything is finished. It's not going to take long because I don't have that many messages, so don't worry. Okay, 12 messages restored. Now click on Next. And now under the profile info, simply type your name. And also, if you want, you can add your profile photo by clicking on that icon. And now click on Next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.